Hello everyone. In today's session, we will briefly explore Microsoft Azure, its working, services, and benefits. But before you begin with the session, make sure that you have subscribed to our channel and clicked on this bell icon so that you may never miss an update from us. To begin with, let's understand what exactly Microsoft Azure is. Azure is a Microsoft's cloud computing platform which offers a comprehensive suite of services and resources which are accessible through an online portal for management and utilization. It provides the organizations with the tools that they need to build, deploy, and manage applications and services securely and efficiently. Let's explore a real world scenario to illustrate Azure's capabilities. Imagine a startup that wants to develop a mobile app with scalability and global reach. Azure Cloud Infrastructure can host the app, manage databases, and facilitate secure user authentication, all while offering flexible pricing based on usage. This example demonstrates how Azure can support businesses of all sizes and industries in achieving their goals. Now, similar to Google Cloud Platform and Amazon Web Services, Azure is a powerful cloud computing platform. One of its key advantages is its pay-as-you-go pricing model, which allows the users to pay only for the resources that they utilize. This eliminates the need for large upfront investments, physical space for servers, and the effort required to set up and maintain this infrastructure. Now let's move on and discuss how exactly Microsoft Azure works. Azure subscribers can gain access to the services through an Azure interface. These services enable subscribers to create various cloud-based resources, including virtual machines, databases, and much more. This flexibility and accessibility empowers the organizations to build and manage their digital infrastructure with ease. Microsoft Azure is more than just a cloud platform. It's a strategic tool designed to help organizations overcome challenges and reach their goals. It offers a multitude of advantages to businesses and developers alike. Let's explore some key benefits it brings to the table. First up, we have security. With Azure, your data is safeguarded by the state-of-art security measures, ensuring confidentiality and integrity at every step. Next up, we have scalability. Azure offers the flexibility to scale your resources up or down as needed, accommodating changes in demand seamlessly. Then we have worldwide access. With Azure's vast network of data centers, you can reach your audience globally, providing low latency access to users anywhere in the world. Then we have hybrid capability. Azure's hybrid capability seamlessly bridges the gap between on-premises infrastructure and the cloud, empowering organizations to leverage the best of both worlds. Lastly, we have flexibility. Azure adapts to your unique business's needs, offering various services and deployment options to suit various workloads and scenarios. Now let's explore some of the key services offered by Azure. Azure provides a wide range of services across compute-intensive tasks. These various categories include compute, networking, storage, containers, databases, data analytics, and much more. These services address diverse businesses' needs to innovate and grow. Let's dive into some of the key Azure services that are going to make your life easier and applications more powerful. First up, we have Azure Virtual Machines. You can use them whenever you need some computing power, whether it's for running applications, hosting websites, or perform compute-intensive tasks. Then we have Azure Storage. This is like your digital warehouse. It's where you can securely store all your data, whether it's documents, images, or videos. And you know the best part? It's scalable. So you can store as much data as you need without worrying about running out of space. Next up, we have Azure App Services. This is your go-to for building and deploying web apps and APIs. It's super easy to use, supports multiple programming languages, and takes care of all the heavy lifting so you can focus on building great apps without getting burdened by infrastructure. Then we have Azure SQL Database. It's fully managed relational database service that comes with built-in intelligence and security features. So, whether you're storing customer information or tracking inventory, you can trust that your data is in good hands. Then we have Azure AI services. These are like your virtual assistants, ready to help you with everything from recognizing faces and voices to understanding languages and making smart decisions. They are pre built, easy to use, and can add a whole new level of intelligence to your applications. And let's not forget about Azure Kubernetes services. This is used for deploying and managing containerized applications. With Azure Kubernetes services, you can scale your applications seamlessly without having to worry about the underlying infrastructure. Last but not the least, we have Azure Functions. They are event driven, serverless, and incredibly flexible. You just have to write your code, and Azure takes care of the rest, automatically scaling up or down based on demand. Now let's discuss why Azure stands out among other cloud services and what makes Azure better. Azure offers stronger and faster platform as a service capabilities, enabling organizations to build and deploy applications more efficiently. Its new design is based on the security development lifecycle, which ensures robust security measures are in place. Additionally, Azure provides an integrated environment for cloud applications and includes an IoT suite offering solutions for various scenarios. Moreover, organizations using Microsoft software typically benefit from an enterprise agreement with Azure, further enhancing the value proposition. These advantages make Azure the preferred choice for businesses seeking a comprehensive and reliable cloud computing platform. So, this brings us to the end of our video. As we wrap up, let's recap what we have learned today. We have gained an understanding of Microsoft Azure as a powerful cloud computing platform offering wide range of services to meet diverse businesses needs. We have explored examples, key services, and the benefits of choosing Azure for your organization. So this concludes our session for today. Thank you for joining us. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your colleagues or friends who might benefit from this information. If you have any questions or topic you would like us to cover in future videos, feel free to leave a comment below. Your feedback is invaluable to us. Also, if you want to enroll in our AZ-900 course, click the link in the description box. Thank you.